Okay, let us begin. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Welcome to the quiz. Today's lesson will learn via the quiz. Okay, so we are going to do a lot of practice, and with the practice, we are going to correct mistakes. Adnan or Zahan, tell me what's the right method to practice?
Where? Listen to the class.
Going
Hello.
through recordings, learning from mistakes.
Tell me again, Zahan, Adnan.
Going through recordings of the class and
That is practicing outside the class, yes. And in the class, what should you do?
Listen to the class. No taking notes. Don't take
No
notes.
taking notes.
No doing
taking notes.
not hard work.
You have to say the answer out. Okay, that's the most important thing. So whatever is the question, say the answer loud. For example, how would you say he went to the madrasa? You would say Dhahaba ila madrasa. You would say Dhahaba ilal madrasati. Okay, and this is how you make the most of the class. There are two ways to do it. Either you can do it the slow way or the not so effective way, okay, which is to just be in the class and listen. The more effective way and the faster way of learning is that you're going to say the answers loud. Okay, and this is what I want you to do. In Kahoot, the moment you see the question, okay, the moment you see he went to the madrasa, you've got to say to yourself, Dhahaba ila madrasa or Dhahaba ila madrasati, and match the answer versus the option that I share. So remember, always you need to say the answers loud. Okay, and that's the trick. That's the trick where you're going to learn fast. Okay, and you'll do well in the quiz if you use this method. Use this method for 1 or 2 classes. You'll do very well in the quiz, inshallah. With that, let me start Kahoot. We have Adnan, Zahan, Afifa. You are playing hide and seek again. We have lost you, but we'll get started. We'll let Afifa join in parallel. Okay, so Afifa is back. Afifa is again playing hide and seek with us. Okay, let us start. First question. Azar sells idols. Blue is Azaru Ba'al Asnamu. Red, Azaru Yabi'ul Asnamu. Orange, Azaru Yabi'ul Asnama. Okay, it is Azaru Yabi'ul Asnama. Asnama is the detail, so it's going to have fatha. Just 1 minute, guys. I'll just be back with you. Okay, so Azar sells idols. Azaru Yabi'ul Asnama. Remember to say the answers loud so that you learn fast, inshallah. Okay, so ones who got it correct, Sadia, Rahil Auntie, Shazia, Adnan. So remember to get the answers correct and remember to say the answers out loud. Question 2. He drinks coffee. Blue, Tashrabul Qahwata. Red, Sharibal Qahwata. Orange, Yashrubul Qahwata. Yes, Adnan.
No, how many people are playing the quiz, Jama?
6 people. So it's Yashrabu al Qahwata. Answer is orange. Everyone got it correct. Third question. Khadija drinks tea. Blue. Khadijatu shariba shaya. Red. Khadijatu tashrubu shaya. Orange. Khadijatu yashrabu shaya. Okay, with Khadijatu, it's going to be tashrabu. Shariba is past tense. No one answered shariba. Yashrabu is he drinks. Khadija is feminine, so it becomes Khadijatu tashrabu ashaya. How would we say Ahmad drinks tea?
What is Sharabu? What is Sharaba?
Shariba is he drank, past tense. Okay, Shariba is he drank. Yashrabu is he drinks. Present tense, to change the forms, you change the starting of the verb. Think of a present tense, car is coming to you, you see the front of the car. You're going to change the front of the verb. So Yashrabu is he drinks, Tashrabu is she drinks. How do you say Ahmad drinks tea?
Ahmadu yashrabu shaya.
Ahmadu yashrabu shaya, very good. Afifa is doing well. Shazia, I think, made a mistake.
Scout is again playing games with me.
Question 4. She sells idols. Blue, yabi'ul asnama. Red, tabi'ul asnama. Orange, ba'al asnama. Okay. So he sells is yabi'u. She sells is tabi'u. She sells idols. Tabi'ul asnama. Again, everyone's done well. We go next question. Question 5. The people worship idols. Blue, annasu ya'budun al-asnama. Red, annasu ya'budul asnama. Orange, annasu ta'budul asnama.
ये पूरी इस तरह थी, देखो अभी ऐसा लग रहा था बहुत बड़ा है। देखो और 2 रुपए का भी 2 का भी नहीं। हमारे गांव में 2 का मिला चक्कर।
We only received 5 answers. One person did not answer, I think. Afifa is again playing hide and seek. The people worship is annasu ya'buduna al-asnama. Yabudu is he worships.
They worship.
How do we say they worship?
Yabuduna.
Yabuduna. Okay. So they worship Yabuduna. The people worship
No, sorry.
Yabuduna. People worship idols.
Annasu yabuduna al-asnama.
Nasu Yabuduna al-asnama. And remember, guys, you need to say the answer loud. Okay, that's how you're going to learn fast.
Yes,
So Rahil, Auntie, Sadia, Adnan also got it correct. So Adnan is trying to answer without practicing. Let's see how far Adnan gets correct answers. So the rest have not practiced well. So Shazia, Zahan, Afifa have not practiced well enough. Question 6.
Scout is playing games with me. I'm
Double points.
writing the correct answer.
The people listen to Ibrahim. Blue, Annasu yas'aluna li Ibrahima. Red, Annasu yasma'una li Ibrahima. Orange, Annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima.
चला देखा मेरा कमाल।
We're waiting for one more answer. 10 more seconds, guys, and I skip. So blue is Annasu yas'aluna li Ibrahima. Red, Annasu yasma'una li Ibrahima. Orange, Annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima. Answer is Annasu Yasma'una li Ibrahima. How do we say he listened or he heard? Let's say Samia. Samia is he heard. How do we say he hears? Yasma'u. They hear?
Yasma'una.
So the people listen is Annasu Yasma'una. Annasu Yasma'una li Ibrahima is the people listen to Ibrahim. Correct answer is right. Okay, Zahan is up. Zahan is suffering from bad Wi-Fi because everyone's using the Wi-Fi at home.
Today again the TV is using Wi-Fi.
Bad luck, Zahan. You try to get
Table is
everyone's phones and
working,
keep
so
them ready.
everybody are watching you.
Okay, we'll go next question. Question 7. Ibrahim asked the people. Blue. Ibrahimu tas'alu an-nasa. Red. Ibrahimu yas'alu an-nasa. Orange. Sa'ala Ibrahimu an-nasa. Okay, Ibrahim asked the people. Okay, how do we say he asked? Sa'ala. Sa'ala is he asked. How do we say he asks? Present tense. Yes, Alu. Sa'ala is he asked. Ibrahim asked is Ibrahimu Sa'ala. Correct answer is orange. Ibrahim asked the people. Sa'ala Ibrahimu an-nasa. So Rahil auntie got this wrong. Adnan got it correct. So Adnan has got this one correct. Shazia is also up. Shazia is doing well. Zahan got this wrong. We got question 8. Bonus question with double points. Khadija asked her friend. Blue. Khadijatu sa'alat sadiqataha. Red. Khadijatu tas'alu sadiqataha. Orange. Khadijatu sa'ala sadiqataha. Time's running out, guys. 2 seconds to go. Okay. Don't mark the answer late, okay? So I'll tell you again. The moment I tell the question, I'm going to give you a few seconds. Try to guess the answer quickly and match the answer quickly, okay? Don't try to think too hard. You're going to be slow in your learning. Okay, the right way to do it. Khadija asked her friend. Khadija sa'alat sadiqataha. Why sa'alat? Because it is past tense. How do we say he asked? Sa'ala. He asked. Sa'ala. She asked. Sa'alat. Okay. This is past tense. It is a car which has already gone. You see the back of the car. You make all of the changes to the back of the verb. The car is already gone. It is past tense. Khadija asked. Khadijatu sa'alat sadiqataha. Sadiqataha is detailed. That's why you see sadiqata, female friend, her friend. Khadijatu sa'alat sadiqataha. How would we say he asks? Yes, Alu. Yes, Alu. He asks. How would we say Muhammad asks? Muhammadun. Yes, Alu. And Khadija asks. Khadija. Okay. Khadija asks her friend. Khadija sa'ala sadiqataha. Correct answer is blue. Okay, so only Rahil auntie and Shazia got this correct. So Sadia also hasn't practiced enough. Question 9. Ibrahim said to his friend. Blue. Ibrahimu qala li sadiqihi. Red. Ibrahimu yas'alu لصديقه. Orange. إبراهيم سأل لصديقه. Very good. So Qala is he said. Ibrahim said is Ibrahimu Qala. Ibrahim said to his friend. Ibrahimu Qala li sadiqihi. Very good. Everyone got it correct. Remember to say the answer out loud. We go next question. Bonus points. Double point question. Do you speak Arabic, O Hamid? Blue. هل يتكلم العربية يا حامد؟ Red. هل أتكلم العربية يا حامد؟ Orange. هل تتكلم العربية يا حامد؟
Can you tell it again?
You need to catch it first time, Adnan. Okay, only 4 people are answered. Again, guys, you need to guess the answer yourself. Try to mark the closest to what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to say the answers only once. Do you speak Arabic, O Hamid? Is هل تتكلم العربية يا حامد? How do we say he speaks?
يتكلم.
تتكلم. How do we say you speak?
What's the difference in between blue and yellow?
تكلم.
تتكلم. Okay. So here it is. Do you speak Arabic? So it is هل تتكلم. So only Rahila, Auntie, and Sadia got it correct. We go question 11. He heard the other. Blue يسمع الأذان. So blue يسمع الأذان. Red تسمع الأذان. Orange سمع الأذان.
Easy one.
Sakina, do we have only 6 people today?
Sorry, Zahan.
We have only 6 people today.
Yes, we have 6 people. Saturday people have their regular school subjects, so few people join on Saturday. And few people are out today, so that's why we have only 6 people. He heard the adhan. This Samiyal Adana.
Nice blue. I was saying wrong. It's going wrong.
How do we say he heard? Samia. He heard the adhan.
I put yellow one.
You're saying something, Adnan?
Actually, I put yellow, but then it's going wrong.
Bad luck. You did not practice.
Same thing happened.
Doesn't want to give you points.
questions.
He heard the adhan. Is Samiyal Adana. How do we say he hears the adhan? Yasma'ul Adana. Samiya is he heard. He hears is Yasma'u. Sadia got this wrong. Sadia is also not practicing enough. Only Rahil Auntie is practicing well. And Adnan is not practicing at all. So Adnan is almost lost. Question 12. He ate food. Blue, akala at-ta'ama. Red, akulu at-ta'ama. Green, ya'kulu at-ta'ama. Orange, ta'kulu at-ta'ama. Okay, this question we've got 6 answers. Looks like Afifa is back and she's answering questions again.
Yakala Atama.
How do we say he ate? Akala. Akala, yakulu. How do we say he eats? Yakulu. Let's do a bit of practice, guys. There are different forms we can say for Eat. Okay, so we can say he ate, she ate, he eats, she eats, you eat, I eat. Okay, how do we say he ate?
Akala.
Akala. Look at the base form of the verb. 3 letters, mostly all fathas. Okay, so akala is he ate. How do we say she ate?
Akalat.
Akalat. You add a ta at the end, it becomes akalat. Akalat is she ate. Akalat is she ate. How do we say he eats?
Yakulu.
Yakulu. Very good, Sadia. So yakulu is he eats. If you know akala, yakulu, the rest is very easy. How do we say she eats?
Takulu.
Kulu. You eat?
Takulu.
Or you eat? Takulu. She eats, you eat is same. You eat, masculine, is also takulu. I eat,
Akulu.
akulu. Okay, so it's akulu. Okay, what you need to remember is akala, yakulu. In the past tense, you change the back of the verb. Present tense, do you change the back or the front?
Different.
You change the front. So yakulu, takulu, takulu, akulu, you change the front of the verb. He ate food is akala at-ta'ama. So only Sadia and Zahan got this correct. So everyone needs a little bit of practice. Question 13. He drank coffee. Blue, sharibal qahwata. Red, yakulul qahwata. Orange, yashrabul qahwata. Answer is sharibal qahwata. How do we say he drank?
Shara. Shariba.
Shariba. Shariba. Shariba. Yashrabu. Yashrabu is he drinks. He drank is Shariba.
Now I won't have any problems, Sakita.
He drank coffee.
All the remote.
Zahan has stolen everyone's phones. Yes,
Now
Zahan is
everything
coming
is
back
with
up
me.
now.
Now nobody can say do anything.
Very good, Zahan. Let us see now if you answer all of the questions
For
correctly.
next class, I think so I should change the password of the Wi-Fi.
Very good, nice. And this is going to be last class in Bombay, so do something in tomorrow's class.
Tomorrow I have another class.
And give people back the password after you leave Bombay.
Hello, Sakabaya. Are you there?
Yes, Adnan?
Sakabaya, this score can. I'm just doing it on my phone now because I got disconnected on my this. So can I add it up later? Right
Yes,
now
sure.
it's
And in the end, I'll also add it up, Adnan. So do your best. Try to get the answers correct. You haven't practiced, so at least in the class, try to practice well. Focus on your practice and say the answers loud. Get your score at the end of the class. Question 14. He heard the other. Blue, Yasma'ul Adana. Red, Sharibal Adana. Orange, Samial Adana.
Same thing came back.
Very good. Easy question. It is Samial Adana. We have a 7th person with us. I do not know who it is, but we'll go on. Question 15. He says to the people. Blue, huwa yas'aluna lin-nasi. Red, huwa yas'alu lin-nasi. Orange, huwa yaqulu lin-nasi.
Sakabaya, you can skip.
We have 7 people, Adnan.
No, that 7th person is Adnan.
Let me give 10 more seconds or we skip. Okay, we skip this question. He says to the people, huwa yaqulu lin-nasi. How do we say he said? Huwa qala. Qala Yaqulu. He says is Yaqulu. So who Yaqulu linnasi? He says to the people. So Rahil auntie and Adnan, the first Adnan, we have a second Adnan somewhere. So Rahil auntie got this wrong. Everyone else.
Yes, that one is mine. Now it's
Question 16. He sold furniture. Blue, Ba'al Athatha. Red, Yabi'ul Athatha. Orange, Ya'budul Athatha.
answered.
Okay, Ba'al Athatha is he sold furniture. How do we say he sells furniture? Yabi'ul Athatha. Ba'a would become Yabi'u. Good. Everyone got this correct.
Raghav, you can remove that last Adnan. He's not playing.
This Adnan?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. But my score is 6454. 6454.
Okay. So what I'll do
You
is
can remove.
going forward skip at 6. Okay. I do not know if Adnan scores are coming here. So I'll skip at 6.
I'm Adnan. I'm playing on my phone. It is 2665. The other score is.
Okay. So I remove this Adnan.
6454. Just note it down. 64.
Okay. So 6454. Okay. Okay. Go next question. Khadija drank coffee. Blue, Khadijatu tashrabul qahwata. Right? Khadijatu sharibatil qahwata. Orange, Khadijatu yashrabul qahwata. Very good, guys. Everyone got this correct. So Khadijatu sharibatil qahwata. Why sharibatil? Because the ta has sukun, the al lam also has sukun. Okay, so to get rid of the two sukuns, I will make the first sukun into kasra. So Khadijatu sharibat al qahwata would become Khadijatu sharibatil qahwata. Khadija drinks coffee. Everyone got this correct. Very good. Question 18. He said to his friend. Blue, huwa qala li sadiqihi. Red, huwa yas'alu li sadiqihi. Orange, huwa yaqulu li sadiqihi. So it is huwa qala li sadiqihi. He said is qala. How do we say he says?
Yaqulu.
Yaqulu. Okay. So Yaqulu is he says. Whoever marked red, what is yas'alu? He asks. Okay. So here it is he said. So it is huwa qala. So Afifa got this wrong. We go next. Question 19. Khadija sells idols. Blue, Khadijatu ba'al asnama. Red, Khadijatu tabi'ul asnama. Green, Khadijatu ba'atil asnama. Orange, Khadijatu yabi'ul asnama. So Khadija sells idols is Khadijatu tabi'ul asnama. How do we say he sells? Yabi'u.
Biu.
He sells idols. Yabi'ul asnama.
Yabiul Asnama.
How do we say he sold idols?
Baal Asnama.
Al asnama. Very good. Sadia has done a little bit of practice, not perfect practice, but she's done some practice after the previous lesson. Question 20. Khadija sold idols. Blue, Khadijatu tabi'ul asnama. Red, Khadijatu yabi'ul asnama. Orange, Khadijatu ba'al asnama. Orange, Khadijatu ba'atil asnama.
Difference between blue and green?
Blue is tabi'u, green is ba'a. All of the answers are very different. Khadija sold idols. Okay. Answer is Khadijatu ba'atil asnama. How do we say he sold?
Ba'al asnama.
Ba'al asnama. He sold idols is ba'al asnama. How do we say she sold?
Ba'atul asnama.
Ba'atil asnama. So ba'at al asnama. We would take up the first sukun and we would put kasra. So ba'at would become ba'ati. Okay. So ba'a is he sold. She sold is ba'at.
Ba'atul.
And only 3 people got it correct. Although the previous question was very similar. So Sadia, Shazia, and Afifa got this correct.
Sakshi Prata, it shows 6 mark, but it shows +0.
Bad luck, Zahan. Question 21. Bonus question, double points. I drink tea. Blue, akulu shaya. Red, ashrabu shaya. Green, akalla shaya. Orange, ana shariba shaya. Answer is ashrabu shaya. How do we say I drink?
Ashrabu.
Ashrabu. He drinks.
But Anna Ashrabu also should be right.
Anna ashrabu is also correct. But that is Anna ashrabu. This is Anna shariba shaya. This is I drank tea. Shariba is I
I
drank.
made a mistake there.
Okay. Shariba is in fact he drank. Okay. So Anna will not in fact come with Shariba. Shariba is he drank. With Anna it will be Anna sharib tu ashaya. Okay. So I drink tea, it is ashrabu shaya. How do we say he eats? Yakulu. How do we say I eat?
Akulu.
Akulu.
Akulu. Blue is akulu ashaya is I eat tea, which is wrong. Okay. I drink tea is ashrabu ashaya. Ashrabu shaya, red is the correct answer. So Rahil aunty correct, Afifa correct, Sadia not enough practice, Sadia is wrong. And Adnan is not in the picture. Adnan is not in the top 4. 22. I sell furniture. Blue, Abdul Atata. Red, Ashrabul Atata. Orange, Abiul Atata. Very good. 6. All 6 correct. Remember, say the answers loud. This is how you're going to practice it, right? How do we say he sells? Yabiu. I sell?
Yubi. Abiul.
Abiu. I sell furniture?
Abiul asal.
Very good. Abiu Atata is I sell. All correct. We go next question. Azar worships idols. Blue, Azaru Yabudul Asnama. Red, Azaru Yabiul Asnama. Orange, Azaru Tabudul Asnama.
Sorry, what's the difference between blue and
time's up. You need to listen carefully, guys. This is a question of listening. So blue is Yabudu, red is Yabi'u. Yabudu is he worships, Yabi'u is he sells. Okay. Tabudu is she worships or you worship. Okay. Azar worships is Azaru Yabudu. How do we say Khadija worships? Khadija tu
Tabudu.
Okay, so all 5 got this correct. Adnan is the one who got it wrong. You go question 24. Aisha went to the masjid. Blue, Aisha tu dhahabat ila al-masjidi. Red, Aisha tu tadhabu ila al-masjidi. Orange, Aisha tu dhahaba ila al-masjidi. Answer, Aisha went to the masjid. Aisha tu dhahabat ila al-masjidi. How do we say he went?
Zahaba.
Dhahaba. She went?
Zahabat.
Dhahabat. Aisha went?
Aisha tu zahabat.
Very good. 5 correct. Again, Adnan is the only one who got it wrong. So Adnan doesn't practice after the class. Adnan gets his answers wrong. Shazia is also doing well. Shazia is number 3. Zahan is giving close competition. Let's see who comes 3, 4, 5. Nafifa is also doing well. Question 25. The people worship idols. Blue, Annasu yabi'un al-asnama. Red, Annasu ya'budun al-asnama. Orange, Annasu ya'budul asnama. The people worship idols is Annasu ya'budun al-asnama. How do we say the people sell idols? Annasu
yabi'un al-asnama.
al-asnama. Okay, that's the blue answer. How do we say Azar worships idols?
Azaru yabudul asnama.
Azaru yabudul asnama. Okay. Orange is Annasu yabudu. Annasu would be yabuduna, would not be yabudu. Yabudu is used with one person. So Afifa, very good. Afifa is catching up. Rahil Auntie Sadia also got the correct answer. Shazia Zahan both got this wrong. And Afifa is catching up with them. Very good, Afifa. Question 26. Bonus question, double points. The idols do not hear. Blue, al-asnamu la yasma'u. Red, al-asnamu la tasma'u. Orange, al-asnamu la yasma'una. The idols do not hear. Al-asnamu la tasma'u. Why la tasma'u?
Because non-living things are considered female.
Correct. Non-living plural, non-human plural is treated as she. So you have to say she does not hear. She does not hear is hiya la tasma'u. She hears is hiya tasma'u. She does not hear is hiya la tasma'u. Okay. So you have to use the tasma'u option. The idols do not hear is going to be al-asnamu la tasma'u. This is non-human. If it was human, how would we say the people do not hear? You'd say Annasu la yasma'una. Yasma'u is he hears. They hear is yasma'una. Annasu la yasma'una. The people do not hear. So Afifa got this wrong. Zahan, Shazia, Sadia, and Rahil Aunty got this correct. And Adnan is not practicing. Adnan is last. Question 27. She drinks tea after food. Blue, shariba shaya ba'da ta'ami. Red, yashrabu shaya ba'da ta'ami. Orange, tashrabu shaya ba'da ta'ami. She drinks tea after food is tashrabu shaya ba'da ta'ami. Option orange. Shazia got this wrong. Everyone else got this correct. We'll move on. 28. The people sell idols. Blue, Annasu yabi'un al-asnama. Red, Annasu ta'budul asnama. Orange, Annasu ya'budun al-asnama. The people sell idols. Annasu yabi'un al-asnama. Correct answer is blue. Question 29. Do you go to the masjid for salah? Masculine. Blue. هل تذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة؟ Red. هل ذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة؟ Orange. هل يذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة؟ You go استذهب. Do you go to the masjid for salah? هل تذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة? Answer is blue. Okay, so Rahil Aunty, Sadia, Zahan, correct. Looks like Afifa did not answer. Afifa is playing hide and seek. We will continue, and Zahan is now number 3. Well done, Zahan. Question 30. The people ask. Blue, Annasu yas'aluna. Red, Annasu yaqulu. Green, Annasu yasma'una. Orange, Annasu yaquluna. The people ask. Annasu yas'aluna. Correct answer is blue. Okay, Rahil Aunty wrong. Sadia, Zahan, Shazia got it correct. Question 31. The people asked Ibrahim. Blue, Annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima. Red, Annasu yasma'una li Ibrahima. Orange, Sa'alan nasu Ibrahima. The people asked Ibrahim is Sa'alan nasu Ibrahima. When you have the verb coming first, the verb stays the same. The verb does not change. So, Huwa Sa'ala Ibrahimu, Sa'ala Muhammadun, Sa'alan nasu. For all masculine, you'll only use Sa'ala. And the people asked. Just past tense, Sa'ala. Sadia got this wrong. Almost everyone else got this correct. 32. I go to the masjid for salah. Blue, أذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة. Red, ذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة. Orange, تذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة. Very good. Everyone correct? I go to the masjid for salah. أذهب إلى المسجد للصلاة. Very good, everyone. Question 33. Bonus question, double point, so pay attention. The idols do not ask. Blue, al-asnamu la tas'alu. Red, al-asnamu la yas'alu. Orange, al-asnamu la yas'aluna. The idols do not ask is al-aslamu la tas'alu. The idols are non-human. You treat it like she asks is hiya tas'alu. She does not ask is hiya la tas'alu. The idols do not ask. Al-asnamu la tas'alu. Orange, yas'aluna is used with humans. With idols, you use tas'alu. Very good. Rahil Auntie, Sadia Zahan, Shazia, not enough practice. Afifa, Adnan, not enough practice. 34. He said to his friend. Blue, huwa qala li sadiqihi. Red, huwa yas'alu li sadiqihi. Orange, huwa yaqulu li sadiqihi. Very good. Huwa qala li
If
sadiqihi.
there's not huwa, then kala li sadiki also will be there.
It's the same meaning. If you say qala, it means he said. Huwa qala means he only said. Okay, so you're saying he said. Everyone correct? 35. The people sell to Ibrahim. Blue, annasu yabi'una li Ibrahima. Red, annasu yas'aluna li Ibrahima. Orange, annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima. The people sell to Ibrahim. Annasu yabi'una li Ibrahima. Answer is blue. Afifa got this wrong. Everyone else is correct. 36. He ate breakfast in my house.
Avi, I can't answer this question. It's before.
Yeah, no, give it a little bit of time. It should come. Blue. Akalat ta'ama fi baiti. Red. Akulut ta'ama fi baiti. Orange. Yakulut ta'ama fi baiti. Orange. Akalat at ta'ama fi baiti. 5 seconds left, guys. You need to be quick. Correct answer is akala at-ta'ama fi baiti. Akala is he ate. So Zahan, I do not know if there was a connection issue. I do not see.
There was a connection issue.
Okay, bad luck, Zahan. But anyway, you are third. You are holding on to your position, and Shazia is close behind you. Let us see who comes third in the end. 37. The people say to Ibrahim. Blue, annasu yaqulu li Ibrahima. Red, annasu yas'aluna li Ibrahima. Orange, annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima. The people say to Ibrahim, annasu yaquluna li Ibrahima. Zahan, wrong. Shazia
That's
is
right, plus 0.
bad luck, Zahan. 38. Bonus question, double points. Hamid asked the people. Blue, Hamidun yasma'u an-nasa. Red, Hamidun sa'ala an-nasa. Green, Hamidun yas'alu an-nasa. Orange, Hamidun sami'a an-nasa. Hamid asked the people is Hamidun sa'ala an-nasa. Hamidun sa'ala an-nasa. What is, how would you say Hamid listened to the people? Hamidun samiya lin-nasi. Okay, samiya is listen. Ask is sa'ala. Correct answer is blue, guys. Okay, so Rahil auntie, Zahan wrong. Sadia, Shazia, Afifa correct. And Adnan also wrong. 39. Ibrahim spoke with his friend. Blue, Ibrahimu taqallama ma'a sadiqihi. Red, Ibrahimu qala ma'a sadiqihi. Orange, Ibrahimu yataqallamu ma'a sadiqihi. Ibrahim spoke with his friend. Ibrahimu taqallama ma'a sadiqihi. How do we say he spoke? Taqallama. Taqallama is he spoke. He speaks. Yataqallama. Okay. How do we say Ibrahim speaks with his friend? Ibrahimu yataqallamu ma'a sadiqihi. Okay. Here it is Ibrahim spoke. Ibrahimu taqallama. Okay, only Zahan and Shazia are correct. Everyone needs more practice. Everyone needs a lot more practice. These are similar questions to previous quiz. Okay, all I've done is I've jumbled questions. Previous quiz was Ibrahim spoke, Ibrahim drank, Ibrahim listened, and you could see the pattern. Now, the moment I jumble things up, you are getting it wrong. Pay attention, guys. Do a lot of practice after the class. These are the same simple, easy questions, just in jumbled order, and you're making mistakes. I eat breakfast in my house. Blue, ta'kulu ta'ama fi baiti. Red, akalat ta'ama fi baiti. Green, akulu ta'ama fi baiti. Orange, akalatit ta'ama fi baiti. I eat breakfast in my house is akulut ta'ama fi baiti. And this is where practice is going to make a difference, because we just saw at the starting of the class, had you said this loud, most likely you would have gotten this correct. He ate is akala. He eats is yakulu. I eat is akulu. Over here is I eat. The answer is akulu. At-ta'ama fi baiti. Only two got it correct. Only two are doing proper practice. So Rahil auntie correct, Shazia correct. Zahan was careless. Zahan is number 4 and Shazia is number 3. Question 41. She goes to the masjid for salah. Blue, dhahabat ila al-masjidi lis-salati. Red, dhahaba ila al-masjidi lis-salati. Orange, tadhabu ila al-masjidi lis-salati. She goes to the masjid for salah. Tadhabu ila al-masjidi lis-salati. She goes is tadhabu. Dhahabat is she went. Okay, 3 people marked blue. You marked dhahabat, which means she went. She's already gone past tense. If you have to say she goes, You see, tadhabu. So Shazia wrong, Zahan is ahead. Sadia got this also wrong. Zahan is catching up closed. 42. Bonus question, double points. Do you drink coffee after food? Blue, هل شرب القهوة بعد الطعام? Red, هل تشرب القهوة بعد الطعام? Orange, هل أشرب القهوة بعد الطعام? Do you drink coffee after food? Is هل تشرب القهوة بعد الطعام? Red. Okay, so everyone correct. Adnan is the only naughty kid not practicing who got the answer wrong. 43. I hear the other. Blue. سأل الأذان في بيتي. I hear the other at home is the question. Blue is سأل الأذان في بيتي. Red. سمع الأذان في بيتي. Green. أسمع الأذان في بيتي. Orange. أسمع الأذان في بيتي. I hear the adhan in my house is أسمع الأذان في بيتي. So Zahan is ahead. Shazia, Afifa, Adnan got this wrong. Last question for the day, double point question. Khadija ate breakfast in her house. Blue, Khadijatu tashrabu at-ta'ama fi baytiha. Red, Khadijatu ta'kulu at-ta'ama fi baytiha. Green, Khadijatu akalat at-ta'ama fi baytiha. Orange, Khadijatu akalat at-ta'ama fi baytiha. Okay, last question, only two correct. Khadija ate breakfast in her house. Is Khadijatu akalat at-ta'ama fi baytiha. How do we say she ate? Akalat.
Akalat.
He ate. Akala. Everyone needs more practice. Let's go to the podium. Number 3, is it Zahan? Zahan is number 3, only 30 correct out of 44. Sadia second, only 35 correct out of 44. And Rahil Aunty is first, 37.
I have to
correct
add my
out of
score 74-55.
I'll do that after the class, Adnan.
Rahba, you'll have to add my
I'll do that later, Adnan.
74-54.
Might be 5th or 6th, last or second last, but I'll do that after the class. You also need the most practice, Adnan. You are the one who never practices after the class. What do you all see from this course? 37, 35, 30 out of 44, even the top 3. What do you learn, Sadia and Shazia?
Need more practice.
You need more practice, guys. 35 out of 44 is still not very good. Okay, we are still around 75%. 75% for words that we have been seeing continuously over the past 1 month is very bad. What you need to do is you need to say the answers out loud. You need to think, you need to recall, and say the answers out loud. And that's how you're going to learn. Tomorrow we are going to do similar quiz, but I'm going to teach you a couple of new concepts. Okay, so I'm going to teach you, in addition to this, I'm going to teach you you ate and I ate. Is this past tense or present tense?
Past tense.
Past tense. Will it change the front of the verb or the back of the verb? Back of the verb. Okay. Past tense is like a car which has already gone. You see the back of the car. You change the back of the verb. Akala is, what is akala? He ate. You ate is akalta. Okay, or akalti. Okay, you ate is akalta or akalti. What is he drank? Shariba. Shariba is you drank. What is she drank? Sharibat. She drank a sharibat. You drank is sharibta or sharibti. Okay, and this is what I need to practice. We are going to do quiz on this tomorrow, inshallah. Once I teach this to the rest of the people, this will be included in the quiz that we do tomorrow. I ate, you ate is akalta or akalti. I ate is akaltu. What is he drank? Shariba. What is you drank? Sharibta or sharibti, and you need to say the answer out loud. I drank is sharibtu. Okay, the two is I drank. So amantu billahi, amana is he believed, amantu is I believe. Amantu billahi is I believe in Allah. Okay, so in the end, if you have two, it is I, and this is past tense. You change the back of the verb. This is the concept which I'll quickly teach in tomorrow's class, and we'll do quiz in all of these concepts. We'll do quiz in he ate, she ate, he eats, she eats, you eat, and also in today's concept, which is you ate, akalta, akalti, or I ate, akaltu. Okay, this is quiz for tomorrow's class. Do not be overconfident. Do not think that you're going to do well without practice. Without practice, you're only going to score 75% at best. You want to be above 90%. With these simple concepts, you need to do lots and lots and lots of practice. With that, I'll end today's class. We'll meet again tomorrow for a big quiz, inshallah, with about 40-50 questions. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama everyone. See you all tomorrow. And anyone has a question, stay back after the class. I'll help you out with your questions.